Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to properly fix and diagnose most of the problems which you can have with your AdBlue system on any car. So today I'm working on this Volvo XC40 from the year 2020, and this car has a problem with the injector from the AdBlue, and normally if you remove the injector and clean it very good, the problems will go away. This car has over 160,000 kilometers and the injector from it has never been cleaned. So this is what I'm going to do today. Right here it is the injector mounted over the exhaust system, and on any car the injector from the AdBlue system will be mounted over the exhaust system. So as you can see, this is how it's looking. From what I can see, the injector is already crystallized with AdBlue. And to fix it, you'll have to remove it from the exhaust system. You'll have to put it in hot water, because only hot water will clean the AdBlue which is crystallized over the injector, and only hot water will fix your problem. So you'll have to remove the injector out from the exhaust system. You don't have to remove it completely out from the vehicle, because if you want to remove it completely, you'll have to disconnect the line on which the AdBlue will travel from the reservoir to the injector, and if you do so, all the AdBlue will leak from the system and you'll have to buy new AdBlue and put into the car. So I don't recommend at all. You'll only have to remove it from the exhaust system and you'll have to let it hang underneath the vehicle. So if you have a car which also have AdBlue system installed on it, I recommend you to clean the injector from the AdBlue at every 50,000 kilometers, because if you do so, you will prevent the injector to build up crystallized AdBlue, and in this way the injector will work properly every time and you'll have no problems with the AdBlue system. So as you can see right here, this is how the injector is coming out from this exhaust system from this car. And as you can see, the injector is almost completely clogged with the AdBlue which is crystallized inside the injector. So from what I can see, this is why I had the error on the diagnostic tool, which was telling me that the injector from the AdBlue was not working properly. So from what I can see, the injector is crystallized, the injector is blocked from the crystallized AdBlue, and the only fix for this will be to put it into a hot water container, and after that you'll have to use a wire brush or a toothbrush and something like that, and you'll have to clean it very good. You don't have to rush with it. You'll have to take your time, because it will take a little bit of time until the AdBlue will melt from the injector, and after that you have to put it back on the vehicle. You'll have to disconnect the power supply like I'm going to do right here, and if you want, you can remove the injector completely out from the system, but the AdBlue will leak from the line. So I recommend all to not remove it completely, only let it hang like I'm doing right here underneath the vehicle. So as you can see, right here I have a bowl with hot water, and I'm going to put the injector into this bowl to clean it very good. Alright everybody, so as you can see, I just finished cleaning the AdBlue injector from this car, and it's looking in a very good condition. From here, the only thing which I have to do is to put it back in the vehicle. So I cleaned it with a wire brush and also with a wire metal line, which I placed it inside all of these holes to pull and to push out all the AdBlue which is crystallized inside the injector, and doing so I was able to clean it in a very good condition. So as you can see, this is the final product. Right now, the only thing which I have to do is to install it back on the vehicle. I'll have to connect my diagnostic tool to the car, and if I see that I don't have any errors, this is meaning that the job was done properly. This is meaning that the problem is fixed by cleaning the injector from the AdBlue. So to correctly install the injector back onto the exhaust system, you'll have to align perfectly the 3 dots from the injector with the 3 dots from the exhaust system, and you'll have to place one on each other, and after that you'll have to put the metal clamp and secure everything back together. To correctly install the AdBlue injector onto the exhaust system, you'll have to follow the 3 dots from the injector, and you'll have to install them over the 3 holes from the exhaust system. You have to put them over on each other, and after that you'll have to tie them with the metal clamp, and that's it. If you don't do so, if you, for example, don't install it into the correct way and you put it a little bit wrong, or if you don't secure it properly, the injector can leak AdBlue underneath the vehicle and you have problems with the AdBlue system on the car. So just make sure that you install it correctly. And also make sure you install back the power supply from the AdBlue injector, because if you don't install it, the injector will not work. So with all of these things being said, this is how to fix most of the problems related to your AdBlue system on any car. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.